Hi, my name is Anna, and I'm here at the Bask and Lather headquarters. And today I'll be getting my hair washed with the Wash Day bundle. So right now I'm just wetting her hair, and then we're gonna use our Strengthen Shampoo. Our Strengthen Shampoo is a really good shampoo because it is a pH balanced one, meaning it's not gonna strip her hair of the natural oils. Anything that is toxic is not included. Her curls even low-key look defined, like it's kind of crazy. So we're gonna do another rinse. When applying our shampoo, we definitely recommend to lather and rinse twice. So just pour it a little more. And just gonna work that through her hair again. Yeah, so we'll talk a little bit about this. So this right here is a non-stripping shampoo, meaning it's not a clarifying one. It's just rinsing out. It rinses out very easily. I just laid all day without curling, without flaking, without turning white, doing any of that. Rinsing out this conditioner and hydrating mist. It's gonna add that shine, that luster, that bounce. Also, I like to say it defines my curls. Y'all can even see her curls coming through.
My scalp feels like actually, like when you part it, it feels good.
So we already detangled her hair, so this process is going to be super easy to apply the actual deep conditioner. So with deep conditioning, honestly, it depends on you and your hair type and kind of your routine. I like to do it maybe like twice a month or maybe just once a month because I do wash my hair bi-weekly. And that bounce is going to define her curls and it's going to keep it moisturized throughout the weeks until she washes her hair again. This has a really good consistency and slip to it. It smells amazing. Like, I love it so much. So if you want to elevate your wash routine, I definitely would recommend grabbing this. It helps with breakage and split ends, so you can avoid all of that with it. A little goes a long way. A little goes a long way with using this, but I definitely would go ahead and grab this, add it to your routine. Okay, you guys, so we completed our wash day. We did our full entire Strengthen Shampoo. We did our Replenish Conditioner, and we did our Aloe Honey Deep Conditioner. And out of everything, this is all of the hair that came out. This small little hairball, you guys doing a full entire routine, detangling and everything. This is all that came out, which is really small compared to a lot of other people that are experiencing that shedding and breakage. So we will be going ahead and letting her hair sit under the dryer. So we're gonna have her hair sit under the dryer for a little while with the deep conditioner in, which is right here. And then we're gonna rinse it out, and then we're gonna go ahead and twist her hair, and then we're gonna show you guys final results. Deep conditioning her hair underneath the dryer. We're just gonna go ahead and take off the plastic cap. and take down her twist, and then we're gonna rinse it out.